Hello from HealthSpring, and welcome to Benefit Tips with Dr. T. I'm Dr. Grant Tarbox, here with a few tips to help you make the most of your plan's yearly dental allowance. Healthy smiles are part of healthy bodies, and part of being a true health partner means helping you get the right care. Your dental allowance covers routine exams, x-rays, fillings, cleanings, root canals, even crowns and dentures. And you pay no out-of-pocket costs until your dental allowance is used up.
Question, Dr. T. Can I still go to my own dentist?
Thanks for the question. With most plans, you have the freedom to choose any licensed dentist accepted by Medicare. And here's a tip. When your dentist is in our Dental Allowance DPPO network, you can get discounts with most plans.
Gotta love savings. So how do I find out if my dentist is in the network?
Good question. It's simple. Visit healthspring.com/resources or call 1-866-213-7295. And check out the rest of our benefit videos for more healthy tips.